welcome back to our channel. My name is Trisha.
I am Leonard.
And this is Baby Kai is joining us today. And today, guys, we're going to be having a little bit of fun. We're going to be playing the Never Have I Ever Challenge. Guys, if you're new, please hit that subscription button down below. Please like our videos, turn on the post notifications so that you'll know when we upload a video. Like our videos, guys, and share. And if you're not new, welcome back. So we're going to get straight into this Never Have I Ever Challenge. So this is a Never Have I Ever Challenge, husband and wife edition. Let me see whether or not I know. Let me see whether or not I know everything about Leo. You know everything about you, Leo?
You tell me. You gotta find out.
We don't know. Let's see, you know.
She gotta find out.
Alright, so baby girl with me never have I ever black card. I'm gonna use the ensure. So the baby just took away my never have I ever. So in the interim, I'm gonna use the ensure. So if I had, I will take a sip of the ensure, and if I had not, I won't take a sip. Well, my husband will be using the I have and I have never. First question. First question, Leo. Never have I ever tasted breast milk while I was an adult, whilst being an adult. Have I? Have I tasted my own milk? I think so.
It is your own milk, man.
What is? Alright.
You taste the own milk.
So I have. Next question.
Next question. Never have I ever backflip.
Seriously? Backflip? Yeah. Probably. When I'm a little bit.
Like backflip totally? Or sideways?
Sideways.
No, backflip.
Oh. You have never?
No, I was trying, but it just never worked out.
So we ask the question, but I joke.
No, not sure. No.
So the next question, never have I ever cheated.
Cheated?
Yes, cheated. It doesn't have to be in our relationship. I mean, no, say you can't cheat because if they cheated, that would have
I mean, cheat ever.
Cheated ever, not in this relationship.
Oh.
Seriously, Leo?
Yeah.
Oh, you cheat, man.
High school relationship.
High school relationship.
Yeah, them something there.
Okay.
Oh, you have. I want to know that one that go down.
Next question.
Next question.
No, probably high school, you know, when you flirt with more than one person.
Oh, yeah, because your head now. Yeah, no. Yeah, no.
High school, you flirt with more than one person, no?
Okay.
Texting.
Yeah. Never have I ever told a lie.
When was the last time you told a lie?
Can't remember.
Oh, that's good, Leo.
Every day.
You tell a lie every day?
You, every day.
Me? Don't tell no lie, family. That's a lie right there. But the last time I told a lie was not using this brush. A little black brush I'm using. I didn't know already.
I know.
Alright, I repent in Jesus' name. Alright, the next question is never have I ever smoked any substance. Yeah. Oh yeah, things are hard. Seriously? When? And the little paper. When?
Long time ago, like paper.
No, that's not substance, Leo. That's a paper.
But substance.
Yes. Like cigarette or weed or something.
No, like just like piece of paper and try it. See how it go.
Okay.
Let me a little bit now. Long time. Yeah. Tell us about it.
Alright, well, I tried smoking once and it was an epic failure, and I didn't do it again. It affected my my nozzle.
At one time you try smoke?
Yes, Leo.
You sure?
At one time, I'm not even know if it's smoke. I never know the head from the butt. You know.
At one time you try smoke?
Why you ask me continuously?
Me know that one time.
No, it was one. Probably at 2 times.
alright, make it stay at 2.
But it wasn't long. Then I go like me a cigarette head or smoke head.
Don't be answer that.
I just one time or 2 times. You know, I was really stressed out. And I tried something, but it didn't work. And people, if you're smoking, you need to stop. It's not good for you or your health. Yes. Next question.
So never have I ever stolen something.
Where your teeth now?
Some little items, not much. Like probably pencil, ruler.
Pencil, ruler, and you, I don't want when people go school and have all of them nice pencil and ruler, then go missing your teeth.
Not really deliberately thief them, you know. Probably just probably money. You might walk and see money pan with them stick up.
That is not stealing, Leonard. You find it.
Oh, they can't see that thief and because I'm a fear when you take it.
Yes, but it's on the road.
Yeah, but if you walk past it.
Well, I have stolen before, but it was like a small chocolate.
Small chocolate?
Yes, and I was stressed out. Oh. I needed that chocolate. But man, no thief people, man, no thief. Alright. Next, never have I ever question. Never have I ever peed in the bath. Alright, the bathtub. But yeah, stress me out. Are you peeping there?
Like one time.
Why you peeping at the bath now?
Long time. You know, you just had to go.
Okay.
I just went.
Well,
long time that.
I have. I think all females feed in the shower from time to time. Yes.
Or just you?
No. Comment down below if you not do it. Me not do it, you know, often, but sometimes, you know, you can't bother come out and the bathroom is already wet. You know?
Think I see it.
Alright. Next question.
Never have I ever had an hangover.
Hangover? Hangover? I don't think I've ever had an hangover before. No. That's in the following morning, right? That's the following morning.
I have never. We don't drink alcohol that much. So, I think back in my teenage years, I came as close as to being tipsy. That's what about it. Yeah.
Well, never have I ever been drunk. We already know the answer to that, will you? You say you never been drunk, right? You never been drunk.
So you've been drunk before?
Not drunk. Tipsy.
Tipsy or drunk?
Oh no then. But I feel tipsy, I was cognizant of my environments, but you know, I feel lightheaded. And I was with you the first time.
Oh, I remember that.
Yes. I was a teenager. Alright, now go fuck that house. You know No, you remember when I would go, it was Christmas, Leo. I would go out and I had one Smirnoff Ice.
So one
Smirnoff Ice with tipsy.
Next question, more one Smirnoff Ice.
No, but truly, this guy use.
Never have I ever pointed at a grape.
No. Sorry.
I think I have.
Yeah. Me point on a grave. However, me back me 10 finger them same time.
Me just point because, hey, nothing happened to you.
Let's say if you point on the grave, your 10 finger them are going to drop off.
I believe in something then. I don't want to point for the grave. Nothing not happened to me. Not that thing.
Never have I ever farted and blamed it on someone else or farted and acted like I don't know. Who did that?
Everybody did that. Every single soul did that. The show boy.
Well, with me and Leah, if me poop, me just say me poop. And it don't smell because it smell like perfume.
Yeah, right.
And you ever hear say loud poop don't smell though?
No go so. Them smell like
Alright, next one. Never have I ever dropped my phone in the toilet. Sorry.
You have never?
I never dropped my phone in the toilet.
You sure?
Yes, that's so disgusting. If I drop my phone in the toilet, I have to go throw away. I never dropped my phone in the toilet before, Leo.
Okay. Never have I ever shaved my partner's pubic hair. You never shave me?
Never. It ain't never ever.
So how me shave you?
Different.
No, seriously?
Alright. Really actually, can you remember me doing that?
Next time.
Next time, no. Me alright. Me
Next time
alright.
for your turn. No, yes.
Never had I ever had to fake it. What the hell? How you fake it? Tell me how you fake it.
Man can't take it to man.
Oh man fake
Man can't
anything.
take it, man.
I'm sorry. Oh man fake that and something have to come out.
You know say, one time I can't remember.
Well, I know one time. But me not do it lately.
No. I do it lately.
No, me not do it lately. Me prefer say Leo. You know?
Oh.
I didn't know. Never had I ever been choked.
Sure?
Yeah. Nobody ever tried to choke it? Oh, choke it?
She tried to put me on the wall.
Leah, seriously? Me try to choke you? Went away to something?
Yeah, and I tried to choke me last night.
Too much information. TMI people.
She not trying to choke me!
Alright, Cairo, so stop it, Leah. Stop it. TMI.
But I'm still alive.
Have I ever fell in public?
Never.
I had.
You?
Yeah,
When?
one big drop. I was working downtown, JJ. And I walk nice and, you know, nice girl walk. One big drop. Me think me slide on something. And I sat down and I just laughed it off. I sat down and I just laughed it off. Yeah, me could have not one must do bad. I sit down and laugh. 1 good 2 minutes before I get up.
2 minutes? No, that sounds like something they did wrong up there. So.
Nothing wrong with it. I found it funny.
Nobody not drop a snow 2 minutes and laugh. Something wrong.
You must laugh after yourself.
2 minutes? A long time, not enough.
Well, probably not 2, but me just sit down a little while and I laugh. I couldn't believe.
Okay, alright.
So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This was our Never Had I Ever Challenge husband and wife edition. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe.
Bye bye.
Bye guys.